So, in the 15th century, we didn't have cows that produced milk all year, right? They produced milk in the spring and then they stopped because their calves were grown and away they go. So all that milk went into butter and cheese because that made it last longer. So what do you do if you want to have a nice spread on your bread in the morning when you can't have milk? Well, you turn to almond milk. And I just found out that the 15th century, they made almond milk spread, and they call it cream cheese. It's not cream cheese, but it is good. And as you can see, it's very creamy. This one has a very lemony flavor, and it has a lot of garlic in it. But you can put whatever herbs in it you want. Basically, you soak the almonds overnight, and then you whiz them together. They would have used a mortar and pestle. I used a very modern Mixmaster, which was nice. But it comes out very smooth. When you first make it, it's very gritty. And then you let it sit in the cool overnight, and the next day, it's nice and creamy and delicious, and it tastes great on bagels.
Lovely. Guess I'll have to give it a try.
So something for the dairy-free crowd out there.
All right. Thank you, Allie.
You're welcome.